Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excel Yoga. Today we are going to learn how to remove duplicate from a dataset. So if you can see here, I have already prepared this dataset, country, city, population. So here, if you notice, we have data redundancy, that is duplication of data. For that, if you'll see manually, we can check for Japan, Tokyo, the population, and here also Japan, Tokyo population. These are two duplicate values. Then we will also go further and check if we find some more. India, Mumbai, this one, and again India, Mumbai, this one. So in our day-to-day life, like when we work as an MIS executive or some analyst in our company, we will always face this problem where we'll have to deal with this kind of data, where the data will be duplicated. So I will tell you the easy way to remove duplicates from this data. So there are a lot of ways, but I'll tell you a few ways. I think you are going to like this one. So first of all, I need to check like how many duplicate entries are there. So what I can do here, I can concatenate all these three columns by using AND operator. As you know, AND is uses for concatenating cells. So I'll just drag it down. I can double click on here. See, we'll see to the end. It is copied. So what we can do here, I'll just do a little formatting. To check the duplication, we can use this conditional formatting. I will select this whole column, go here, highlight cell rules. There is an option called duplicate values. If you click here, it will say like the duplicate values will be colored in light red color. So I will just click on here OK, and I will go and check like how many duplicates there. Japan, Tokyo, the population, this one is duplicated. India, Mumbai, this is duplicated. China, Beijing, this one as well. So how can we remove duplicate from the data? One way we can do, like I can select the complete data. For that, you can put your mouse cursor anywhere, like here in this data, and press Ctrl A. Everything will be selected. Now I need to go to this data tab, and here you can see this remove duplicate option. Click here. It will allow you, it will ask you to how you want to remove the data. So you can unselect everything and select this one, or either you can do this, or you can select these three checkboxes. Because if you want to remove the data, it will go and search like duplication is based on how. Like we are removing duplicates based on these three columns. So we need to select these three columns. Otherwise, all these three columns are concatenated in D column. We can unselect it and select this one. I'll click OK. Three duplicates are removed. Click this OK. See, now we don't have any duplicate. If we'll go here, select this column, and again put this conditional formatting, I'll not get any duplicated data. See, I can't see any red lights here. So this is how you can remove duplicates. There are other options as well. I'll do one thing. I'll just remove this column, and I'll put some duplicate data here. I'll copy and paste it over here. Then for India, Mumbai, again China, Beijing. Okay. So we know that we have now manually duplicated these rows. So how can we remove duplicate again? I can select the total table, go here data duplication, so no data validation, remove duplicates. Also all these three columns are selected now. So we can just click on here OK. See, three duplicates are removed. So this is another way, and let me see what are the other ways. Okay, so leave that. Suppose I don't want to remove duplicate from all these three columns. I just want to see how many unique entries are there. I can copy this column, paste it here, and click on this remove duplicate. I will get only unique entries. See, only there are 206 unique values remain. So these are my unique entries. This is how you can remove duplicates. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.